Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and I hope you're doing good mga lods. At for today's video nga, we will be doing to watch and react dito sa Sweet Notes, ayan, featuring Ilya. So this is the channel of It's Me, Hera. So sana masamahan niyo ako until the end of this my reaction video. Maraming salamat mga lods. Let's go.
Araneta sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay isa. Sayaw, 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 sayaw. Huwag kalilimutan na sa unang lansla. Yung mas malakas, woman, sir! Sayaw, 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 sayaw!
Ilyas from Araneta. Grabe. Nagulat ako dun ha. Galing. Grabe, that is Ilyas, guys. Kanyang pa-concert sa Araneta. Nagulat ako doon. Nakala ko kasi featuring niya. Pero parang iba yung nakita ko na Sweet Notes. But anyway, i-check out natin yan, Sweet Notes. So that is, guys, for today's video, guys. And sana nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reaction for today's. And please, kung nagustuhan, bigyan mo naman ako ng like at subscribe para updated ka for more this video. So maraming salamat, guys. Thank you.